What's the meaning of Britain? Britain. Britain.
Britain. Britain. Britain is a geographical and cultural region located in Western Europe, which includes the countries of England, Scotland, and Wales. The term Britain has been used historically to refer to the political entity known as the United Kingdom, which consists of those three countries plus Northern Ireland. The name Britain is derived from the Latin word Britannia, which was used to describe the island of Great Britain. Today, Britain is a diverse and multicultural region with a rich history and heritage, and is home to a population of around 67 million people.